Hi, I'm trying to record my roommates are talking. If you can hear them, that's what that is. Basically, today I'm going to bleach my own hair. So obviously, you know, we had bleach right here. I got my developer right here. You know, you gotta have your bowl. Everyone's tired of seeing the same Wella T18 toner, but this is just what we're doing today. I'm gonna start. I genuinely am honestly like super duper nervous because I've never like bleached my hair. A, when it was this short, and B, by myself. Now, it's best to follow directions, especially when you don't know what you're doing. C, period. I know what I'm doing. Yeah, so we're just gonna like eyeball it. Like I know it says there's like measurements and stuff, but I don't have like a measure thing. So we're just gonna like eyeball it. So alright, so yeah, my sink looks gross. That's kind of embarrassing. But so we're just gonna start. See, I'm gonna just open it. Oh, literally not supposed to touch this with your hands. You're supposed to be wearing gloves, but again. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, that's my bot. So I have my friend Michaela here, my college bestie, you know what the fuck.
I'm gonna do that first streak.
She's gonna do the first streak. And by first streak, I mean she's gonna do my entire head because I like kind of bitched out. And then...
Because that's what college besties do.
Period. And I'm most likely gonna get her again to do the back because I'm nervous. I'm gonna start in the crown area here.
Oh shit, my bad, got it. You want it on the middle?
Yeah, like the crown area, because that's like the thickest
Okay, I'm gonna
part
go
of it.
down then.
Yeah, follow the way I, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. I feel it on my scalp. Oh my god, oh my god.
Is that bad?
No.
Oh, this is so weird because before when I did this, you had long hair.
Long hair, yeah.
But now that you have short, it's kind of like, it's weird because...
It's like different.
Well, it's kind of weird too because like, it's not getting like it really good. Since it's like waves, like you have to really like fucking go like that to get in.
How's the bleaching coming?
Scary.
Have you just done the back yet?
Yeah.
It's because it's hard to get it all. Because your hair is like kind of thick.
So, this is where we are now. She finished applying it because I pussied out and couldn't do it myself. And I think if you look close enough, it's not focusing, but that's okay. You can see that it's turning yellow-ish. But now we're gonna go get some tacos.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna put this bag on my head so that, sorry. I'm gonna put this bag on my head so that we can process better or whatever. So now that's gonna incubate and heat up really fucking fast. So we are gonna go fuck up the tacos because that's what we do. Alright.
Check this out. It's a blind spot. They can't see what I'm doing.
Hear you.
I could be snorting crack right now and they wouldn't see.
They can hear you.
Oh, we're making a vlog?
Yeah.
Oh, really? A Discount Tuesday vlog?
Yeah, period.
Tuesday vlog, first one.
Yes.
Nice grocery bag bonnet.
I want you to shut up.
You see them? They're making cement or the street. You got that on camera, yeah, Ty?
How many we getting? I want 5.
5.
4. You guys are still doing $1 tacos, yeah?
What?
Y'all still doing $1 tacos?
Yes.
How many you getting, Ty?
Best buds.
So could we get 17 chicken tacos?
Okay.
That's not going in the vlog. Yeah, I checked for lettuce. There's no
I have
lettuce.
6 in here. How much do you have?
I said that
Here, put it
if
right
I
there.
was counting quirky.
Right now, something about Snoop Doggy Dogg. This one goes to the ladies.
Hi, hello, this is real time. I'm freaking out because it's been like 30-40 minutes. But, whoa, she's yellow. Let me rinse this out because it kind of burns. Who let me do this? Who let me do this? Oh yeah, me, because I'm an adult. Yeah. Because So she's very yellow. I didn't even look at the back yet, so I'm about to be shook when I do, but actually I don't hate it. Like, I know it looks bad. I can hear like Brad Mondo screaming right now, but probably like bleach it again and then tone it. Sorry, I'm just trying to like it and I don't.